Hello, I'm Tom, a salesman from your group company, and behind is our factory. We have been engaged in bean food processing and production for almost 20 years, and we have always been the leading positions in China in terms of production technology, from planting to processing and finally reaching our hands. We strictly control the raw material and our product and send it to our customers. But just talking is not enough. So let's go to look some details. Let's go. Now we have equipped with relevant clothes, and this is aerial where aerial products will be inspected. The secure inspection machines will selected or qualified and foreign chain things from this thing, and our products will be connected in the port and frozen. Now, in this place, all qualified products will be connected in a vase. And the way in vase, we will, according to the different temperature, moisture, and design the best time for soaking it. And these baths are tailored by us. In this board, the original power of these beans can be fully stimulated. Its flavor, the taste, and nutrients can be fully motivated. After soaking, our product will send to these machines, and these machines is used to fry the bean and chicken base. And these machines, which can be used to remove the oil of the beans. Okay, after final processing, our products will send to these rooms. And these rooms, you can see there's human picking stations. So let me show our real-time human picking process. Now we have drive this special room. Then these rooms we will add the exclusive flavor to our soybeans. So let us look at it inside.